Looking for the perfect spindle sander but overwhelmed by all the options? Stick around as we break down the top models from worst to best so you don't waste your money. Let's kick things off with the BUCKTOOL belt and disc sander. It's built with a powerful 3/4 horsepower motor and designed to handle general sanding tasks with ease. But spoiler alert, it lands at the bottom of our list. Why? Because while it's great for flat surfaces and edges, it's not actually a spindle sander. What makes this tool appealing is its dual sanding capabilities and solid construction. It offers a tilting belt from horizontal to vertical and a disc sander to boot. If you're tackling a wide range of straight edge sanding jobs, it's more than capable. It's versatile and durable, definitely not a weak machine. But here's the thing, this isn't what you want if your main focus is sanding curves, contours, or internal edges. This unit simply doesn't have the spindle feature, which is essential for precision shaping on curved workpieces. In short, it's the odd one out in today's lineup. That said, it's a solid choice for someone who mainly works with flat stock or wants a general purpose sander for a small workshop. If you're not chasing curved detail work, it could be just right. Let's move on to a machine that actually specializes in curves and edges. Oh, and quick heads up, you'll find links to all these products at the best prices down in the video description. Next up, we have the Woodskll spindle sander. This one jumps ahead because it's a real spindle sander, and a variable speed one at that. Right away, that puts it in a different category from the last tool we looked at. If you're a beginner or hobbyist looking for flexibility, this one grabs attention. Its best feature? That variable speed. Being able to adjust the RPM between 1000 and 1800 gives you way more control over the sanding process. While you're working with soft pine or dense hardwood, this sander adapts to your pace. It also comes with a solid range of sleeve sizes, so you can shape tight curves or large round edges. But let's be real, it's not perfect. The stroke rate isn't clearly specified, and while the 450 watt motor is decent, it's not built for heavy duty projects. Compared to the next sanders on this list, it's a little underpowered, and the build quality may feel less robust. Still, for DIYers or hobby woodworkers, it's a great entry point. If you're not pushing your tools too hard and just want good control over your sanding, this one deserves a look. And hey, if you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. In third place is the Kaka Industrial Combo Sander. This machine brings something unique. It's a 2-in-1 that acts as both a spindle sander and a belt sander. If you're tight on space or like the idea of 2 holes in one, this could be right up your alley. What's great here is the versatility. The spindle action is smooth and backed by a decent stroke length, while the belt function handles edges and sanding beautifully. It also has a tilting table for bevel work and comes with several sleeve sizes, making it useful for different types of contours. But where it lags is a bit in motor power and speed. It doesn't have variable speed, and compared to the next models, the motor isn't just as strong. You might notice it struggling slightly on harder woods or during longer sanding sessions. If you're after flexibility in a compact form, especially if you're limited on workshop space, this is a smart choice. But if raw performance and power are your priority, stick around, the next two machines pack more punch. Now we're talking. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Vevor spindle sander. This unit delivers high spindle speed, a robust oscillation stroke, and a surprisingly solid cast iron work table, all at a very competitive price. What makes the Vevor shine is its performance. That 2400 RPM motor powers through sanding tasks quickly and cleanly, and the cast iron top gives it the stability you'd expect in higher-end machines. It includes a full set of sleeves from 1/2 inch to 3 inches, so you can handle all kinds of curved surfaces. Still, there are a couple of caveats. It's a fixed speed unit, so there's no flexibility when it comes to adjusting for different wood types. And while the dust port is functional, it's not the most efficient. You'll want a good shop vac to make the most of it. But overall, this is an excellent choice for intermediate users who need a reliable, stable spindle sander that performs well without breaking the bank. It's the real deal, but there's one machine left that edges it out. At the top of our list is the Wen spindle sander, and for good reason. It hits the sweet spot between power, functionality, and affordability. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, this one deserves your attention. The machine offers consistent performance thanks to its 2000 RPM motor and smooth oscillation. It includes 6 sanding sleeves, giving you all the range for shaping curves or smoothing contours. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to move around, but still feels solid when in use. Sure, it doesn't have variable speed and the table size isn't huge, but unlike some of the others we looked at, it's purpose-built for spindle sanding, and it does that job really well. For most home and workshop users, this is the most balanced option out there. If you're after a reliable tool that gets the job done without the bells and whistles, this is the one to grab. And best of all, it's affordable, well-reviewed, and easy to use. What more could you ask for? You'll find all the top spindle sanders featured today linked below the video. Go check out the best prices right now. If this helped you out, be sure to hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and buying guides.